Hello, Tinman here. I got a little repair for a certain individual, anonymous. So, as you can see from the board, it got really hot. So, this was a 2x6 or 1x6 I built 5 years ago, 4 years ago. So, it's also got high and low voltages on the front. So, we're on the low voltage tap. And when we key down, we're going to be at 14 point. I can't do both, but it's at 14.03. I promise you. Unless, Ryan, you want to hold this over here. You want to hold this real quick so we can show them what the voltage is? Alright, just hold that right there. Alright, so I'll do key up on low voltage. I'm sorry, 13.05 is low voltage. So, it's a 2x6 that I repaired because they popped most all the pills. 1000 watt slug average. 2500 watt slug average for now. Well, let's just go ahead and use that one in PEP. So, top scale 5,000, 1500, 2000, and then 2500. 1000 watt be reading the bottom scale, so that's 600, 800, 1000. 400, 600, 800,000. So let's look. There's the slugs. Y'all ready? Low voltage now. 700 bird and 1800 PEP at 13 volts. Now, let me just go and turn this off. Let the caps bleed down. That's all the watts I'm putting into it. Just so you're aware. Alright, turn it back on. Now we're going to go ahead and swap this down to high voltage. Now if I can get Ryan back over here for a minute. That's our float voltage. You see we are at key down. 15.10. So same slugs, 1000 watt average. 2500 watt PEP. See the bird PEP kits on both. Same reading. Y'all ready for this? 2300 and 850. Yeah, 850 bird off of a 6 pill 2x6. So yeah, we're boot scooting boogie, baby. And reflect 5 watt, close to a watt, and then half watt up here. I may try to take a little bit more out of this a little bit, but it's really good. I mean, the swars on it are very low. So, yep, I think this one's going to be ready to rock and roll. I'm trying to see if I wrote any information on this one that I did, but this is a long time ago box. But it is rocking and rolling, homie. Let me say that. All right, y'all take care. Y'all remember, Tinman in the repair shop.